outstanding, and they made other buildings bigger than that building now.
We're in the city now. This is city.
We're coming down to the city. This is the building I told you about. It's like a, you see it? The architecture?
Ah, shit, I should have went the other way. That fucker was. Yeah, let me think.
Oh, it's beautiful, Kenny.
I know, right?
See?
Look at that skyline. Look at that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Call it El Tornillo. Here at one of the most expensive hospitals too.
Yeah.
It's called Hotel Paitilla, where I used to work, Kenny.
Mm-hmm.
Right here, I used to work Centro Médico de Paitilla. In this hospital, yeah. Before I left to America.
This is practically what you.
This is private. All this is private.
Right.
And you have to pay big bucks to come to this hospital. But the treatment, the caring,
It's top.
and
What
yes.
about John Hopkins?
I don't know about John Hopkins.
I know they got John Hopkins down
I
there.
don't know, but this place is superb when it comes to medical and caring. You know, it's just you pay like a $50 to see a doctor, and the caring is superb.
And I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna
Like
show you some shit,
High quality care.
and then we're going to go ahead and go to the restaurant.
Okay, brother. Show me some shit.
Oh, man.
My man.
I used to work there. I mean, I had a good job before I went to America. I didn't need to go to America. I was doing great in Panama. But look at the casino again. Casino,
Wow.
Golden Lion, you miss it.
Wow. I missed it.
And they have casinos all over. That's what I'm saying.
This is
Panama
50th
not
Street.
poor.
This is 50th Street.
Oh, you used to live around here too,
Huh?
right? You used to live here before the
No,
invasion?
this is the same.
San Francisco?
Where my apartment at.
Oh, okay. But where you
I
guys
just
used
took
to
him
live
around.
when they had the
Oh,
invasion?
also down there,
Oh, okay.
San Francisco. This is 50th Street. See, now you're up on the big screw.
City capital. Man.
This is Soho Mall. This shit here is the most expensive mall down this motherfucker. You see they got Chanel, Louis Vuitton in the front of this motherfucker. You go in there, you're gonna spend big bucks.
Yeah.
It's real money shit.
Yeah, they ain't playing no
Yeah,
games.
they ain't fucking with you here.
Did we pass the Trump Hotel?
That's
Trump
it.
Ocean Club.
I'm about to take you over there now.
The Trump Hotel?
Trump Ocean Club, that's what it's called.